Hello, this is Peter from Man King Homestead. Today's Friday, with a high of 84 degrees today, and it was sunny. Got a visit today from Judy Jewell and the Big Italian. They brought me an air conditioner, and they also brought me a box of goodies. Let's take a look at what was in the box. There's a crock pot, which is one thing that I've been wanting for quite a while. A bag of rice. Bag of pinto beans. And to go along with the pinto beans when I put them in the crock pot, a couple onions. These are Judy's very first 2 onions she's ever grown. A fly strip, but that will come in very handy with the flies this summer. Bottle of Louisiana hot sauce. Even though I'm not a fan of hot sauce. A bag of Hershey nuggets. A dish towel. And this little plaque to hang on the wall. And it says, "It is not how much we have, but how much we enjoy that makes happiness." Thank you very much for all this stuff. It is very much appreciated. And I sure needed that air conditioner. I'm glad that you were able to donate one to me. Thank you very much, Judy Jewell and the Big Italian. And here's the air conditioner that I got from Judy Jewell and the Big Italian. It's an 8,000 BTU air conditioner. That's just about the size that I was looking for. So this is perfect. Thank you very much. These bagels came out nice. I love my new toaster. Little butter on the bagel, little cream cheese, couple slices of Swiss cheese, add some bacon, and now I have a creation that I'm gonna call lunch.
Again, this is just a test. This is not how it's going to remain set up. It's not plugged in yet. Don't get excited, Peter. Positive wire. Negative. Again, they're doubled together, so they'll just run the same current through both wires. Our grounding rod's right here. It's not very far in, doesn't need to be for a test. All right. Now, if I plug it up and it doesn't explode, Peter will be disappointed. I don't think the light came on. I must come unplug it on the other end. Momentary interruption. Bink. Dang it. Oh, you know what? I bet you that light. That light may only come on when the fence isn't connected. Let you know that something's wrong with the fence. That's pretty cool. Pink.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like my video, and please continue watching. That's it for today. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Have a good one.